What up, peeps? Storm's Fury 777 on a soda run. Getting all the stuff I needed to do the oil change. And I lost the, I was doing a video and it cut out, I guess, something. I've got a couple of matches, and I also have a 250,000 grand. It has 3 matches on it. I had gotten ticket number 1 on that one and 22 on this one, so this one's got 2 matches so far, 2 and 29, and I'll go ahead and continue on from where I left off, where it got something happened. 35, a 13, a 7, 25, 38. All right, so under the 29, that's 5, and that is 10 there, so that's 15. Yep, that's FTN, 15. All right, and then let's see what we get with the 3 match. I believe it was 3 matches on this one. This one was the dreaded 40 hit, 8 hit, and 29 hit. I don't see any other matches to see. At 5, 10, and 8 is, oh, we got 20 stones there. All right. Yep. T. Yep, TW. It should be a Y, yeah. Okay, so 15 and 20 on 20 on that. So I'll take that. And sucks that I lost part of the video. Because, alright. This is Storm's Fury 777 saying peace out.